This video will demonstrate how to replace and install an LED module on a GDM swing door cabinet. Tools needed to complete the task include a standard screwdriver, a cordless drill with Phillips bit, and a putty knife. First, be sure to unplug the cabinet. Then open the door and remove the door gasket. To do this, start in the upper left-hand corner and pull the gasket out of the track. Do this all around the door. Using either the screwdriver or the putty knife, carefully pry out the light cover, taking care not to catch or pinch the concealed wires. Unplug the LED light cord before removing the door channel. Remove the Phillips screws, anchoring the light in the channel. You will then need to remove the top 3 screws in the black plastic gasket base that hold the cabinet base to the door frame. Place the putty knife behind the gasket base in the top outside edge to pry it out from the door frame. Slide the existing light out of the channel. Note, you may need to place the handle from the putty knife under the LED lamp to aid in sliding the light up and out. Slide the replacement light into the channel. Reassemble the door, placing screws back into the black plastic parameter gasket base and new LED light. Plug in the LED light cord and replace the light cover. Then replace the gasket by starting in one corner and pushing the gasket into place. Using the palm of your hand works best to do this. Plug in your cooler and make sure the light is working properly. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-855-372-1368.